Good morning. Well, afternoon for me. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good whatever else. Let me enjoy my Bellevue sparkling water. It's a beautiful day, man. Bitcoin's looking good. Lots of pink, but you know, we're good. We're good. So, something I'm noticing here. Shiba Inu, what's up, Peter Brazier? Shiba Inu might not be dead. Wow, wow. Okay, 0.000012. That I thought that was higher than that. So, or lower than that. So I thought there were more zeros in there, but maybe Shiba Inu's not dead, you know? It's still trash, but it's kind of dead. And then let's see Quant. Quant's not looking good today. 290. All right, not worried about that. So, oh, hey, all right, Lucci. All right, can't comment on my TikToks. Okay. All right, what's up, Jose? Hello, Abe from Alaska. What's up, Emote Vibe? Anas, good afternoon, Dannerlicious. What's up, Everardo, the board surfer? Justin, Trump rules. I'm reading a name for those of you who don't like Trump. I don't mind Trump. I mean, they all suck, but, you know. Good afternoon, Albert. I think I already said it. Good afternoon. No, I didn't. Never mind. Hello, Imad. Update us, please. Where is Bitcoin going next? I think it's about to break out. So, what's good, Just James? Hello, Cesar. The Chris. Robbie. Aloha. Hello, friends. Man, this stream all of a sudden got really busy. So, hey, Rel gained some more weight. Solana 1 year prediction $200, but in between I think it's going to go up to 600. But I still haven't looked into it all that much as far as a new prediction because I predicted $200 by the end. And so that's not happening. It's already happened. So Bitcoin's on fire, alt's next. I don't know. Yeah, I mean I would think so. They all do suck, some worse than others, that's for sure. Arbitrum don't know enough, sorry. All right, Seattle. Hey, I went on my honeymoon to Seattle in 2008. So come on, Litecoin. Yeah, you know what? One day you're going to blink and Litecoin's going to be on fire. So let's see, time to begin the Bitcoin march up. I really think so. I really think so. So AVAX, Avalanche, I think now is a good time to get into it. It didn't pump after getting listed on Coinbase because there's already enough exposure on other platforms. So that's a good sign. So I'd say AVAX is good. Only wait, I don't mind a gain. Yes, sir. You think DOT can hit 100? I think it can hit 200. So algo prediction $7. Did you buy more Hex? No, no. Theta, I love Theta. I still think $50. I know Theta's been flat for, I mean, a year. Just keep this in perspective. A year ago, Theta was at 50 cents. So 12x in the last year. So be it. So got 5K. I don't know what to buy. Missed out at the end of September. What do you recommend? Litecoin and Ethereum. Litecoin and Ethereum. Axie Infinity can't stop. It's ridiculous with Axie, but why is ADA taking so long to move up? I mean, things are moving slowly still. It's, you know, Bitcoin's up how much? 15% this month so far? You know, by crypto standards, that's not crazy. So the alts will follow as, you know, we see some more confirmed breakouts with Bitcoin. We see Bitcoin go into the upper 50s. I think alts are going to pump like crazy. We see Bitcoin at 60. And if we see Bitcoin pass its all-time high again, alts are going to go wild. So Algo $7, nice. Litecoin this run, I'm still saying $1,500. So, have you seen OHM? I haven't. Is the price? I don't know much about OHM. Is the price action crazy or what's up with OHM? So, know anything about Portland? Going to a wedding there this weekend. I've only flown into Portland one time. Mount Hood was breathtaking. If I had time in Portland, I would have gone to Mount Hood. So that place was blowing me away. So OHM's doing well. That's 1 year. Let's see all time. Okay, so it's pretty new. Let's see. Know anything? All right. Where can I get AVAX on? You can get it on Coinbase. So Shiba Inu opinion. I'm impressed with Shiba Inu. I thought Shiba might be dead, but it looks like it's not. So it's up to 0.000012. You know, maybe it has some life in it. So Digibyte, don't really know enough. I was right about BitBoy. Man, he's showing his colors. Yeah, I saw that. I looked back. I took a screenshot. September 11th is when, like, all right, the blockchain boy made a TikTok. It was very mild, and BitBoy Crypto, he talked a little bit. You know, he talked about BitBoy and BitBoy's XRP prediction, and BitBoy flipped out, and now you're seeing that. So TRX, not a fan. Justin Sun, I just, you know, if you've been watching my live stream long enough, you know that I don't like Justin Sun. He rug pulled Tron really hard when they first launched. He got his billions, and then, like, you know, Tron will go up, but I don't want it. So huge staking rewards, great concept. Okay, end of year prediction for BNB in January, I think like $1,500. All right, Portland, hang out in Pearl District for restaurants, coffee shops, etc. I'm scared to invest on Litecoin and miss the top. I'm not sure what you mean, but, you know, I think Litecoin's got a lot of upwards movement. So Matic thoughts, very bullish on Matic. I'm not worried about ETH 2.0 making Matic obsolete. So I'm bullish. ICP has been lackluster. Still think it's a good project. Its fundamentals are good. I don't like ICP. And seriously, like, I would not be worried right now really about anything. I am so confident in the direction we're heading. These next 3 months are going to blow you away. So should I hold my crow or sell? Same thing that I just said. Have I spoken to Pablo lately? No. I mean, what do you mean by that, Hassan? Has Pablo said anything in particular? I heard that he called for 20K or lower 20s again, and he's just digging a bigger hole. His business partner started following me on TikTok, and so I followed him. Naya Mahimi, something like that. Nayamini. I actually like his content, Nayamini. But Pablo, you know, Pablo, just, if he was just a little more humble, I'd be more on board. Is BSV a scam? It can become a scam. I have not looked into BSV since, you know, the certain set of miners got 51% control, so I don't know what they're doing. You know, Ontology, nothing. I don't know about Ontology. I got Tron at like 0.00003. I think very low, so I've just kept it and was thinking selling, but wasn't sure when it's right. You know, you see things spike. Like I'm thinking the end of this year, things are going to spike like crazy. That's when you sell. Thoughts about VXV? Man, I'm hearing some sentiment change about VXV. It's really interesting. Like, you know, in this group that I'm in, this group, I would say that, you know, there's some people arguing that VXV does not actually need to exist. Like the crypto doesn't need to exist. So I hold VXV. I'm still very bullish. Estimate when this bull run ends: December for Bitcoin, January for altcoins. I think Cardano is going to be the very first one to peak a few days before Bitcoin peaks. So no, he didn't. I'm not very active in his Discord. Okay. BSV or BCH, which one to buy? I'd say BCH, but I'd rather just own actual Bitcoin. Hey, Slice of Butter. Hey, Renaissance Man. Thoughts on VET? I love VeChain. I'm less bullish now. There seems to be a little bit of FUD with China banning crypto because VET has a lot of partnerships in China, but I'm still thinking 50 cents or so. So tell us about how crazy Litecoin can go. I think Litecoin can be this year's Dogecoin. Remember Dogecoin? And I shouldn't say this year. I think Litecoin, the second half of the Dogecoin was like the coin of the second half of the first half of the cycle. Litecoin, I think, can be the coin of the second half of the cycle. So when I say $1,500, like it's unique. in the sense that I don't think Litecoin's going to 100x or 200x like Doge did. But like if you told me that Litecoin was much higher than $1,500 at the end of this cycle, like you're from the future, you come back and you tell me that, I would not be surprised at all. Like much, much higher. So I say $1,500, but really the sky is the limit with Litecoin. So in your opinion, will Bitcoin Diamond go past its all-time high? I don't know what Bitcoin Diamond's price is. I don't know its all-time high. I just don't really pay attention to Bitcoin Diamond. So let's see. Have you seen this Jeff the Dunker guy on TikTok? If so, what do you think of his take on Hex? Was he the one who was talking about liquidity? I mean, he makes a compelling argument. I'm still not decided. Oh, no, Bitcoin Diamond. I would not touch Bitcoin Diamond. His argument's compelling. I still no comment on Hex. I don't know what to believe. Like I see people saying it's a scam, and honestly, I probably would lean more in that direction. But then I see people saying like, no, this is totally legit. But then I saw a comment. About Hex. Like somebody commented on my TikTok like Hex. The creator of Hex, Richard Hart, said that Hex is a scam, but let's all make some money. It's like, that's not very reassuring. Suppose the U.S. defaults on its loans, how would it affect crypto? If the U.S. defaulted on its loans, it would have a huge effect on crypto. But I was talking about this with some friends yesterday. The U.S. is not going to default on its debt. It's just not. Like this is a cycle. It's like I remember in 2010 being nervous, like, you know, hearing about the debt ceiling. Oh, the U.S. is going to default on its debts, and nothing. So SHIB might be coming back to life. If it hits $1,500, I'm selling and rebuying after it drops. Rebuy about a year after it drops. So you're 99.9% sure that Litecoin will at least 10x Angly Chinaman. I'm not. I will never say 99.9% sure about anything. I'm just like one word that you won't hear out of my mind or out of my mouth is guarantee. I don't guarantee any price, and so I won't say 99.9% sure. I'm very confident about that. I'm very, very confident. Thoughts on XYO 20 cents? Been selling tree for Litecoin. Okay, keep that to yourself. Weston, yes, he was. Okay, all right, it was that guy. Okay. I just won $350. What coin should I buy? Ethereum. EOS, I don't think it's going to reach its all-time high from 2018. Litecoin, $1,500 by January. All right, guys, I'm going to go. Hassan, I took profits. You should take some profits on Solana. I'm going to go live on TikTok real quick. I was debating whether I should, and I think I will. So will there be a BART pattern for Bitcoin? I don't think so. I know that CVO Crypto said something like that. I do not think so. Let's see. Renaissance Man Coin. Yes, sir. Cassian Frank said that the VXV coin will be used as the API key to access data sets, so the coin is really neat. Okay. You know, that wasn't my opinion that I was sharing. So it's one of those things. Okay, going live on TikTok. Luna, I'm still saying 100. That might be conservative. VRA, given how small its market cap is, I like Theta more, but VRA will probably outperform Theta on the way up. So see you there, Robbie. Okay. Does the steady progression of Bitcoin mean anything? Loads of crypto analysts saying it's going to explode soon. Yeah, I think it's gonna climb, and then at one point it's gonna melt our faces. I know that's an overly cliche thing to say, but I really do think that. I think that you're gonna wake up every day thinking like, or there's a point coming that you're gonna wake up and be like, all right, any day now it's gonna have a correction. Any day I'm just gonna wait for some kind of correction, and then it'll just blow you away. So Maka all in. All right. Period. The only sage left. Period. ETH price prediction 15,000. Cosmos, can it hit 100? Oh yeah. Cosmos I think is a good short-term play. Yeah, XYO to 20 cents. Yes, I did. Yep. That's a 5x from here. Last I checked. So best coin to long, Ethereum. Selling investment is Bitcoin. Thoughts on VXV? I just talked about VXV a lot. I'm still bullish on VXV. I mean, really, when it comes down to it, I know that there's a new wave of like people saying that they don't need a currency, but what am I looking up? Oh, XYO. Yeah, I'm live on YouTube. There's no way I'm going to be able to keep up with the chat on TikTok, but I'm live on YouTube. So what's your longest hold that isn't Bitcoin or ETH? Maybe Chainlink. Oh, now it's 0.028, so 3 cents. Yeah, I could still see XYO going to 20 cents. Let's see. Yeah, 15,000 for ETH. Haters are losers. Cool. What's up, Crypto Dabber? Thoughts on Mana? I like Mana. Decentraland Gaming. Do you expect some major correction? Not from here. No, not from here. So, do you think we will have a bear market with all this burning going on? It's not the burning that makes me wonder about Ethereum not having a bear market. It's more the production drop that's coming with when they're doing away with mining. So AXS thoughts. I don't know, man. Plan B or not plan. I saw a question about Plan B. I'll say that in a second. It just won't stop. It won't stop. And maybe it's just going to not continue to stop until the end, you know? I was guessing a dime by XYO. I think plenty of other cryptos will outperform XYO. So ETH 15K by January or so. Should I switch my Litecoin for AMP? I don't think so. No. All right, what do you know about Plan B? I mean, he stays anonymous on purpose. But I think he's about 90, you know, somewhere between 95 and 99% accurate. He has been on point. So Plan B, I like him a lot. I hope he's right about everything. So what is Poly invested 200? Don't know why. Why would you do that? SLP, I don't know enough. Sorry. ACH, again, that's another one I don't know enough. But Polygon Matic, you know, if you don't know, you need to do your own research. So top of the morning, Max. HBAR looks like 40 cents may be the new support. Looks solid. Yeah. Why so bullish on ETH for its chance to multi-X is a lot less than other alts? Because it's so much bigger, OC Pet Doctor. I mean, a 5X would put it over $1 trillion market cap, but I'm bullish on ETH because we're not going to be able to time the peaks, and it'll like for a lot of these altcoins, they're going to spike like crazy, and then like the peak will be so quick. With Ethereum, it's going to be a little bit more rounded, and it's going to kill it. I think even in the middle of the bear market, Ethereum is going to be at a great price. So that's good to know. Something's good to know. Okay, ACH don't know enough. FTM, I like HBAR better, but FTM's fine. Hello, Devontae Brown. I'm not your daddy. Have you heard of Cogecoin? I haven't, no. NFTB and cost, nothing, sorry. Luna to 100. Shiba's on 5. Shiba's pumping, man. Maybe it's not dead. So what did Plan B say? I'm behind. He's the creator of the stock to flow model. And guys, for those of you on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube. I can't keep up with the TikTok the TikTok comment stream. So yeah, ADA has 73% of the coins staked. Yes. Lamborghini to the moon. Yeah, sure. What did Plan B say? So stock to flow, Plan B. So, I mean, his bottom price predictions, not predictions, like he says worst case scenario, Bitcoin would close August at 47,000. It closed at 47,156. And then he said 43,000 for September. And it closed like 43.8. And then for October, it's 63,000, something like that. So possible black swan crash this month. There's always a possibility of a black swan. No, I don't think Bitcoin's going to 40K. Hop on over to my YouTube channel if you really want. Help me get to 6,000 subscribers. I'd really appreciate it. But I'm able to respond to every question on YouTube. World War Bitcoin on YouTube, search for it. But I can't keep up with everything, every question and comment on TikTok. Where do you think ADA will be by Christmas? $8. Are you still bullish on Litecoin? Yes, very, very bullish. Quant or HBAR? Man, Quant. I'd take a risk with Quant. So several days before debt ceiling resolved and stocks tanks. What about crypto? I'm not worried about the debt ceiling. I've never been worried about the debt ceiling. Andy, I've had a YouTube channel since before I had TikTok. Lem Reaper, hello. Does Shiba have potential, or is it just another meme? It is another meme, but like, you know, it's encouraging to see the price action. Maybe it's not actually dead. Thoughts on DAG and LTX? Really don't know enough. I know like people, DAG, I still haven't researched DAG. I've been saying that I'm going to research DAG. I know a little bit, but I've heard of GRT. No thoughts. You know, my friend CVO Crypto thinks that it's going to go to like $20, $25. It's crazy. I mean, I hope he's right. So Uniswap or Polkadot? I'd say Polkadot. Good morning, Evil D. Afternoon, evening. Hex has to be a scam. Man, maybe, maybe not. When ETH peaks, should I sell and buy back in the bear market? I'm not planning on it because there may not be a bear market for ETH. But ETH in January, $15,000. I'm still sticking with that. Price prediction for quant this bull. I don't do quant. Quant will go higher. So, hey, M888888. No, I don't think Shiba will ever reach where Doge currently is. Let me do the math. There's 3,000 Shiba in existence for every one Doge, something like that. No, Shiba will never reach where Doge currently is. Never. I have an extra $5,000, $500. Should I invest in Litecoin or ETH? My answer to that's always going to be ETH. It's the safer play, but it's safer. Litecoin has more potential, but thoughts on CRV and GRT? I just don't know enough. I'm sorry. All major social media down. Well, Facebook's down. Twitter's not. I don't know what's going on with Facebook. I would love it if Facebook just disappeared. Would you take a loan on BlockFi or sell crypto? I would. I'm looking into loans. Maybe not on BlockFi. I don't think their interest rates are all that great. But Celsius, bought $50 Shiba when it hit Coinbase. It got rug pulled and never was fixed. Oh man. Vet, WTF. What's up with Vet today? Vet, Vet's been slow. I know. When do you think Bitcoin will take off? Soon. I mean, I think Bitcoin's going to $60,000 this month. So we have 27 days, something like that. Yeah. Top 5 coins I hold: Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Cake, and Binance, not in that order. When's Litecoin popping? One day you'll wake up and you'll be blown away. Do you know anything about Aave? Yeah, you search from TikTok. Aave seems like a good DeFi project. I have like $500 worth of Aave. In general, I'm bullish. I think it's going to go to 4 figures pretty easily. So, hey, do you recommend Celsius or others? Yeah, Wreck-It Cam. I haven't seen any interest-free lending, but I do recommend Celsius. Yeah. Gun to your head, got to put 1K to Shiba or Doge and take out at the end of the year. Up until today, I would have said Doge, and I think I would still say Doge. Maybe I'm crazy. 1231 price target for ETH, like 8 to 9,000. SHIB hit a penny? No. Thoughts on Elrond? I don't know much about the project, but I do know a decent amount about their tokenomics. And their tokenomics, it's like they want you to make money. So I'm 5,000 pounds amp for AVAX. Is that all that you have in crypto? I would have split it up, 2,500 in each instead of 5,000. I don't know. It just depends on the portion of your portfolio. Yeah, she was gonna burn a few hundred trillion. That's for sure. Quant seemed to dip when Bitcoin dipped last. Maybe we'll start following Bitcoin a bit more. Maybe. I mean, one thing I like about Quant is that it doesn't do that in general. Insta's down and WhatsApp too. So all Facebook stuff is down. Okay. Yeah, Aave, just talked about Aave. Do you think that we can reach 100 trillion total market cap end of this decade? Yes, I do. Yeah. VRA, been DCAing all September. I think VRA will do well. I don't have a price prediction though. So to the moon. Avalanche, AVAX. I've been saying AVAX. It's a good sign. One of my rules is don't buy a crypto within like the first month after it gets listed on Coinbase. And so Avalanche, it got listed on Coinbase, didn't pump like crazy, and so I think it's fine to get in right now. Solana or Litecoin right now. Solana, if you're talking about fundamentals, absolutely Solana. We're talking about what has the most potential to pump over these next few months, easily Litecoin. Missed what you said about DOT. I haven't really said much about DOT. I think DOT's going to $200. So if ETH may not have a bear market, what will happen to alts? Don't they follow ETH basically? Maybe. So that's going to be tricky, Ray. That's going to be tricky. AMP to $1. So ETH, this bear market is going to be really difficult because Ethereum is throwing a wrench in there with EIP 3675. And so we'll see. We'll see. I don't know what to say. Yeah. If ETH, yeah, let's see. Will Quant be here in 5 years? Yes. Thoughts on 1inch? So Binance partnered with 1inch. That's a very good sign. That's a very bullish sign. And that's a big one. There were some other partnerships with 1inch. That's kind of like the exchange now, the hot one. So 1inch may do very well. I don't have any price predictions though. When do you think the bull run will end? Bitcoin December, altcoins in January. How is VET not in Coinbase yet? Do you believe in VET? I believe in VET. It's not in Coinbase, I think, because of its Chinese partnerships. Matic in about 3 years, that's going to be like, it'll be pretty into the bear market at that time. So, when am I going to fight Pablo hand to hand? Well, he'll have to come to America. I'm not going to Australia. You know, they'll probably throw me in jail, and I'll never come home. So, if he comes to America, I'll fight him. Which one first, DOT or Litecoin? I'm not sure what you're asking, but DOT, I guess. Exit strategy for end of the bull market. Don't be greedy. Take profits along the way. And, you know, don't be afraid to pull out, you know. How long am I on for today? I don't know. I've been on for about 25 minutes, so probably at least for an hour. ICP, I hate ICP with the heat of 1,000 suns, but it's a good project. I'm bullish. Bear market strategy. I'm still working on my course. I mean, I started the first video on that. It'll be worth it. So end of bull, why would alts continue to go higher when Bitcoin does down? Alts go harder? No. So Color Super, that's a very good question. After Bitcoin goes parabolic, alts tend to, what's up, King Tyson? Yeah, I'm still bullish. JP Marsh. Alts tend to have alt season right after. And so, I mean, look at 2017, 2018, late 2017, Bitcoin peaked. People took their profits and put it in Ethereum, into other altcoins, and those pumped. Yeah, so for someone looking to get 3 to 4K, would you recommend buying 1 ETH, the same amount in an altcoin like Litecoin or Solana, or the same amount? I mean, I'm always going to say 1 ETH. So here's my Laura Ingalls Wilder. She wore a costume to school today. Thoughts on excellent price, $2 to $3. Graph and Anchor, I don't have predictions for those. Would you rather fight Pablo or BitBoy? I'd fight BitBoy. He needs to be humbled. So why don't you like ICP? Because they rug pulled. And okay, sorry. And they enforced vesting schedules with people who got airdropped their tokens so that they could sell first. So 2v1 newly land, what? He will put them down. Okay. When do you expect bear market? Early 2022, mid 2022, something like that. Any news on the XRP case? No. Let's say you have 2K only going XRP or ETH. My answer is always ETH. So plus Pablo got them crazy eyes. Thank you, Oli. I just, man, you guys saw I'm sure you saw the BitBoy crypto calling the blockchain boy some stuff, and it's really frustrating. That beef started in a Telegram group that we're all in about a month ago, and you know I've shared that I've shared that as my background on TikTok. So you expect crypto to crash early 2022. Why are you sad about that? Because that's just the pattern. You know, crypto Crypto pumps and then dumps. Pablo would say no knives in the ring. Blockchain Boy had a rug pull token. I mean, he promoted the apes. Yeah, I mean, the Crypto Knights promoted these apes that got rug pulled. It's not like he rug pulled. So I don't know how to get Flare airdrops. Pablo has them. Dead cat bounce moves. Dead cat bounce. President Biden said U.S. retirement may drop in the coming days. Yeah, and yet crypto's pumping. So ATA versus ADA. I don't know enough about ATA. Am I Android or Apple? Android. I think you should start. I know, Sambo. I know you want me to start a merch line. All right, stop it. Blockchain Boy promoted. I know he promoted something that got rug pulled, but that doesn't mean he rug pulled. Okay, he donated his proceeds to what's it called, St. Jude Children's Hospital, and he did that before they rug pulled. So market prediction for the next few hours or days, not hours, but higher over the next few days. Bitcoin. I know, LaFleur. I know. Please. When Bitcoin hits 50K again, will it ever not cross that down? You know what I think. What's going to happen with Bitcoin when it hits 50K? It's going to hit 50K, then go down, and then hit 50K, then go down, and then break through, and eventually, yeah, I think after this month, we're not going to see $50,000 Bitcoin again until the bottom of the bear market. So I sell Litecoin on $2,500. Sorry, I missed that, Fan Nissan. Litecoin on at $2,500. I mean, Litecoin might not go to $2,500. So yeah, Crypto Strong will spy is down. HBAR prediction $200. Or sorry, not $200. $2. January, in my opinion. What's up, Pablo? ZK Pablo, not Pablo He-Man. ZK Pablo. Do you still believe Bitcoin will retrace back to 45K support? I don't remember saying that I thought that. Daria Zlakova. But I don't know. I don't think so. You're welcome, Tactical Mofongo. What do you think about Dent? Don't know enough. Any security apps you like to secure your phone? I don't know. That's a weird question. Actually, I'm not going to answer that question. That kind of makes me nervous. What wallet do you use for HBAR? Voyager. Use Voyager. Use my referral code ALE749. ALE749. You get $25 of free Bitcoin and you skip the waiting list. God bless you too. Exis. Hot versus HBAR. Hot has more potential, but it's also going to crash really hard at the end. What will ETH be by November 1st? I think so. October, November are usually poor months for ETH in comparison to other cryptocurrencies. But December and January, ETH is going to pop. So by November 1st, I mean, I could see it at all-time high levels, but like maybe in the 4,000s. So Bagir, hello. Should I sell my ADA and Quant in the bull run? Jay, all I'm saying is that I am selling all of my Cardano and all of my Quant. Litecoin price target, $1,500. Theta versus ALBT. I don't know enough about ALBT, but I really do like Theta. Matic prediction end of the year, January $8. So info gathering, LOL. Yeah, that makes me a little nervous. So what's the last 4 digits of your social security number? Okay, cool. Now what's the first 5 digits of your social security number? Do you have any thoughts about DAG? I'm still trying to research DAG. So will we see Bitcoin come to the bottom of what? I'm not sure what you mean, but I think Bitcoin's going higher from here. Is Quant still at a discount? Under $300, I think Quant's at a discount. Why are you selling your Cardano? Cardano predictions, January 1st, $8. Is it good crypto this month? Yes. Oh my goodness. Sorry. I'm getting notifications on Slack here. How about I exit that and hopefully I don't get notifications. All right. So I'm selling all of my Quant and Cardano. I want to see what they do in the bear market. Like, that doesn't mean that I won't buy back into Quant like in the next bull run. I absolutely will, and Cardano. But like Cardano dropped 96% from its peak in 2018 to its bear market bottom. I know it's different this time because of staking, but I just, that was 96%. It's like, I just don't want to mess with that. Watching you is do you DYOR? Okay. Dot to 100 in January. I think higher, ZK. Should I sell all of my Solana by the end of the year? It's similar with Dot, similar amount of staking with Dot, not Dot, Cardano. I'm going to sell all of my Solana at the end of the year, but listen, I am loading up big time. Thank you, KJO. I'm loading up big time on Solana in the bear market. Like, I'll probably put 10 to 15% of my crypto or of my fiat into Solana. Cake's just chilling at 1920. Man, if Cake chilled at 1920 forever, I'd be ecstatic. Do you like Omi or Vivi? Yeah, I do. Yep. Good partnerships. When are you planning to sell your Cardano? So someday. I mean, December probably. I think Cardano is going to be the first to peak. So before Bitcoin. When do you think your bullish October prediction will begin to unfold? I mean, Bagheer, I think it's already unfolded. We're $6,000 up this month in 4 days. So thank you for those sunglasses. So just, we'll see a steady climb. And then I think once we break through the September high, it'll be very quick. So Neo stock prediction, I don't know. I'm bullish on Neo, but yeah, let's not. I don't want to talk about Neo. The Pandora Papers, no idea. Thoughts about Luna, $100 or so. Total of your portfolio, not sure what you're asking. Is Doc going to do something or what? Yes, I think so. Not gathering. Sorry, wondering since we all use our phones now. Okay. Dot versus Matic. I'm about equally bullish on both. So still never selling ETH, Bitcoin, or Link. Not never. I'm going to sell a little bit of my Ethereum at the peak, but like 5% of my Ethereum, pay off some bills. Bitcoin, no. And taxi mileage for electric vehicles. Oh my goodness. What's my favorite crypto? I can't decide between Bitcoin and Ethereum. Yeah, get to know that about ICP. Yep. Sheep's going crazy now. Maybe it's not dead. So I'm confused. Should we be buying alts now or wait? I mean, I think it's fine to buy. I mean, I want some kind of confirmation that the $53,000 wasn't a bull trap. So that's why, I mean, I'm all in. So what's your Litecoin end of year price prediction? January, $1,500. Trios, don't know enough. What numbers you want? Solana? Oh my goodness. What numbers do you want Solana to hit before you start exiting everywhere? It's a matter of time. It's not a matter of when do I think Solana, it's a matter of when, it's a matter of like, will Solana spike like crazy? Bitcoin did not have a blow off top at the previous all-time high. Pablo said Bitcoin will not reach 90K. I mean, all right. Well, he's been wrong also about Bitcoin going to 20K. He said it was going to go to 20K. So we'll see. What numbers do you want Solana? Oh yeah, answered that. Cody going to $10. Great. How many coins do you recommend for a diverse portfolio? I don't know, maybe 10. LaFleur, if you never sell Solana, I think that's great. All right, my Voyager code, ALE749. A is in Apple, L is in Larry, E is in Elephant, 749. Again, for those of you on TikTok, I am live on YouTube. I can't keep up with the TikTok chat, but I can on YouTube. So hop on over to YouTube. So possibly a bear trap. No, it's a bull trap. It's a bull trap. I said bear trap in one of my videos. I meant bull trap. So end of month prediction. I think we're going over $6,000 or $60,000. So I have not looked at bond. No. Link dot or Litecoin if you were to choose one. For short term, I would say Litecoin. For long term, I'd say Link. How many coins do you recommend? Oh yeah, answer that. If you hit 3 dots on top right, you can turn your notifications for Slack. Turn off notifications for Slack. Yes, let's do that. Give me 1 second, everybody. 3 dots, top something, top right. Where are those 3 dots? I knew I wasn't going to find it. I don't know. Algo price prediction, $7. I don't stake on FTX now. What do I prefer? I like Celsius. I like Pancake Swap. So thank you, OC Pet Doctor. Polymath, I don't know enough about Polymath. Hit the top of the right notification. I'm going to suffer through it. Sorry, man. Bitcoin price range to take profit on altcoins. That's over 100,000. I don't know. Thoughts on AMP price range next cycle? I've got nothing. Favorite coin that could still 100x? It's too late for that, man. There's nothing. There's plenty. Yeah, maybe that we'll see 100x for a crypto, but for me to even say one that I think could 100x, that's crazy. Yeah, I don't have an AMP prediction for the next cycle. ETH peak January or something. I'd say January. FTM and H-bar. What about them? I mean, I like H-bar more. H-bar is a long-term hold for me. Next time you get a notification, look for 3 dots. There we go, Jad. I'll do that. Can Bitcoin dip because of the stock market? It could, but today's a good sign. Stock market's down, and crypto's up. Bitcoin's up at least. So, holy SHIB. Yeah, SHIB's doing well. So he's still at 12 cents or something. Oh, wow. SHIB's even higher now. Okay. Well, SHIB's moving. Coins will be accumulated. Did I say 12 cents? I meant 0.000012, but it's, yeah. Well, I'll take an L on that one. I mean, I still think Shiba Inu is trash. But if it's going to pump, then so be it. I have some Shiba Inu. Audius, don't know enough, sorry. Vet prediction, 50 cents. Quant, I don't do quant predictions. H-bar prediction for next 3 years. Can I say next 4 years? Because next 3 years is the bear market still. But 4 years, I mean, double digits somewhere. Coins you'll be accumulating in the bear market. A lot of quant, a lot of Solana, a lot of Dogecoin. I'm not a Dogecoin fan, but man, you know, I think Doge will go down like 4 cents in the bear market. And it flatlines, which means that like it'll be fairly easy to time the bottom. So, thank you. Yep. SHIB is trash. Buy H-bar or wait. I don't know. Yes. No. Maybe DCA. Is there still a dump coming? I don't think so. No, I think we're about to break out. When's the bear market coming? Early 2022, mid 2022, something like that. Check LSS. Maybe one day. Is that a crypto? Or are you talking about Slack still? SHIB to Ascent? I don't think so. Oh, LSS is a project working against hacked accounts. Okay, to recover funds. So they basically are hackers too. That's funny. Cello. I don't have a prediction for Cello. Sorry. Thoughts on AXS? It pumped. It just keeps pumping. I don't know what to say. It's like I made a video about how, you know, wait for AXS to cool off a little bit, and it was much lower than where it is now. When will we reach the top for ETH? I think January or so. How much Shiba do you have? Like 35 million, not a ton. Should I take profit on Shiba or wait for a new all-time high? I mean, I think all cryptos are going to go much higher over the next few months. I would not, you know, I'd take out initial investment or something at a 3x, but I think it has to do with Evergrande, people in China trying to play lottery ticket to get their money back. Oh, okay. Ship to 1 cent by Lambo or house. I'm never going to own a Lambo. Unlike other people who flaunt their meme cars. It's a meme car. If I wanted something, a fancy car, it would not be a Lambo. It would probably be like one of those really fancy vans. Like one of the, what's it called? One of those like real like leather seats, individual seats in the van. I don't remember the name of it. Do you think that quant is done this run? No. All right, LSS crypto. Hey, just joined. Was the dip we saw earlier the last? I don't think. I don't think we're going to see a major dip. I mean, that dip we saw earlier wasn't even really that major. So, when selling your crypto, are you going to put it down in USD coin? Yes, I am. Land Rover, not Land Rover, no, not Escalade, like a Sprinter. It's a Sprinter. Thank you, 5.0 Daddy. A Sprinter in Ryan Marquardt. Yeah. Can you fight Pablo in a celebrity boxing match? It's a Sprint. If I were to get something, a luxury vehicle, it would be a Sprinter, not a Lambo. That's ridiculous. A Lambo. I have 5 kids, you know. It's like I want them. I want to take a joyride with all of my kids at the same time, not one at a time. 22 million coins circulating might do good. Okay. SHIB up 75% of listed. Oh, whoa. All right, rumor being listed on Robinhood, but okay, it will be a big rug pull. So, man, if Shiba, that's a big one. I mean, if that was true, I could see Shiba pumping like crazy. You know, what car do I own? A Toyota. I love Toyotas. Straight facts from you as usual. Thank you, Darren. Look at Shiba. I'm looking at it. You buy more HBAR? No, I'm all in. I'm all in for this cycle. So get a Toyota Land Cruiser. That's not a bad idea. Don't know the proper name for it, but can you set trailing take profits on buying it? I don't know, but thanks, Jad. Why is Shiba pumping? Maybe apparently there's a rumor that Shiba will get listed on Robinhood. If so, then Shiba will pump. You don't have to pay taxes. No, I think you do have to pay taxes in USD coin. So is HBAR a buy? Yes. What's best to start in Bitcoin and Ethereum? For max profit, I should pull my capital on how many coins to the end of this bull cycle? I don't understand that question. I'm sorry. Matic reach over $3 soon. Yeah. October, November, something like that. What do you think about IOTA? I am bullish on IOTA long term. I think IOTA is going to exist. It has a place in the future. Internet of Things, Web 3.0, all that. I don't have a price prediction. I bought some IOTA last month, and the reason why I bought it was because I was looking at some charts, and what generally happens with IOTA is it just has a massive pump very quickly and then stays sideways for a bit. And so I want to ride. Let's ride, baby. So, okay. Can you give me a range where DOT ends this November? New all-time high, but nah. Thank you, DJS. So you still would say to buy Shiba today? No, I'd never say to buy Shiba. I know you don't like BlockFi. Would you cash out and move to CBP? I don't know what CBP is. What you think HBAR price be at 2025 double digits? So just logged on. Where do you think Quant is going? Still higher. All right, Quant bullish pennant on the daily. There we go. Sprinter Eco version is real attractive. Excellent. Phantom, I don't have a price prediction for Phantom. Everyone needs to chill while big boys are looking to move money from tech. Okay. Shiba's going up until Robinhood release. Yeah, and then it'll dump a little bit, but then it'll go much higher. XLM price end of the bull run $2 to $3. You like the tokenomics of HBAR? I mean, there's a lot of HBAR in existence. So it's not that I love the tokenomics. It's not inflationary. I'm pretty sure it's not inflationary. So I like things that are not inflationary. So when should I dump my coins? When you see things go parabolic, man. So thank you, Johanna Pacheco. Thank you. Should I buy now Shiba or just wait a bit? How about don't buy Shiba? You know, buy cryptos with actual utility. But I don't know. Should I sell my Ether now and buy later if it dips? No, Val doesn't. Do not do that. No, this is not financial advice. This is a bullish month. We are in the beginning of a bullish month. Things are going to go up, in my opinion. SHIB up over 60%. Yeah. Yeah, Clarence talked about IOTA, Coinbase Pro. Yeah. Look at SHIB since you started. I know. I've been paying attention to SHIB, Dominic. It's trash. It's still trash. So, okay, it's at 0.0. It's up 71.7%. It's still trash. Crypto Weatherman says he thinks next week will be bearish. Maybe he was right. Maybe. We'll see. He's good at weatherman predictions. I still think Bitcoin's going to close this month over $60,000. Crew token on PooCoin. No, I'm not checking out anything on PooCoin. Vet prediction 50 cents or something. Are we in the bull run right now for XLM Cardano? They will go up. Do you think that FTT is going to be the biggest exchange after Binance? It might. Man, all right. So what are the competitors? There's crypto.com. That's always been the number one potential competitor. Crypto.com. But FTT, man, they have some great partners and people, some big promoters. So maybe stock market money moving into crypto. I hope so. Webull lifted SHIB and it just continued to trade sideways until today. Yeah, but Robinhood's a different story. Should I hold my XRP and HBAR through the bear market or dump and buy again? For XRP, I would hold on to it if the SEC suit is not over. But also, I mean, if XRP pumps despite the SEC suit still going on, I would sell some. HBAR, it just depends on how much HBAR you have. I don't have a ton of HBAR. I'm holding on to it. Quant to 100,000, maybe one day. MTV, I don't know. I don't know about MTV. Are we going up? I believe so, yeah. Thoughts on EOM? I don't know enough about EOM. Doge, I still think Doge is going to $1. Doge pumped today. So interesting. I wonder how SafeMoon's doing. Yeah, BTS, I saw that Facebook and Instagram are down. I'm pretty happy about that. So yeah, what the heck's happening with Doge? Maybe meme coins are not dead, Litecoin, I'm still saying $1,500 for Litecoin. Just watch Quant pump the next 2 days. I hope you're right. Doge is not looking strong. I mean, today it's looking strong. So do you think that AXS will be worth picking up in the bear market? Do you think it'll slowly fade away? I think it'll be worth picking up in the bear market, yeah. SHIB's pumping, yep. What about Litecoin? How do you compare it with AVAX? They're two very different things. I'm not sure. I mean, if you're talking about price-wise, I think Litecoin will outperform AVAX. Don't you like Tesla? Do I like Tesla? Yeah, SHIB's up 70%. I will never own a Tesla car. Well, no, that's not true. Teslas are garbage. Like, as far as the actual quality of the car, they're like down there with Chryslers. I mean, SafeMoon is down 5%. Yeah, slowly dying. Yeah. Tesla, I mean, for me to compare a Tesla to a Chrysler, I mean, give me a break. Chrysler is the worst, and Tesla's down there with it. So as far as the quality of the cars, so. Okay, trash.exe, I see your comment, but whoever said Doge not looking strong is the brightest bulb. Yeah, it's up 11%. Yeah. So you'll be selling all your altcoins to USD. Not all of them, but most of them, yes. Teslas have improved. I mean, okay, long-term reviews in the last 2 years. I read an article that, so after 3 years of ownership, Teslas need the most repairs in comparison to 80 different cars. I think Lexus was up there, and I don't remember the rest of them. So BNB to 800 2022. Why so conservative? It'd be a Bentley. Something about a Bentley. All right. What month should I start to dump? You see things go higher? That's when you dump. Sprinter van, yeah. AMP to $1 in my opinion. What's a good place to buy Litecoin? You could buy it anywhere. It's on pretty much every platform. What should I be watching for in the short term to confirm bull market? I want to see Bitcoin go over its September high. 2 Lexuses. All right. You should have at least 100K subs on YouTube. Thank you. Yeah, maybe one day. And yeah, I'm live on YouTube. I can't, guys, on TikTok, I just can't keep up with the chat. But I am keeping up with the chat on YouTube. So if you really want me to interact with you, maybe I can, I'll answer a few questions on TikTok, but I'm mostly on YouTube here. Yeah, Shiba's pumping hard. Yep. What should we? Oh yeah. So short term, I want to see Bitcoin go above $53,000. That was its September high. If it goes above $53,000, the argument that was a bull trap is dead. So the bears are dead. Okay, Val Dozen, I acknowledge you might be right about Tesla, and if so, great. I'm rooting for Tesla. I hope that they are improved with their quality, but yeah, because I'd love to own a Tesla. I know your bags are packed, but if I gave you an extra 2K today, where are you putting it? 1,000 in Ethereum and 1,000 in Litecoin. You expect 200K BTC at cycle end. Is this assuming 4 Bitcoin ETFs being approved by year end? If not, would ETFs change your all-time high prediction this cycle? I don't think ETFs are going to be approved by the end of the year. But man, all right, this is very important, and this is very important. So ETFs will be a game changer, and that's another bear market thing. If they are approved during the bear market, so the Purpose ETF launched in Canada, and they add on average about 86 Bitcoin a day. I think a United States ETF would add much more than that. The United States ETF will have much more than will add much more than 86 Bitcoin a day. It takes, I saw an article from 6 months ago when Bitcoin's illiquid supply was lower than where it is now, that it takes $93 million of Bitcoin purchase to move the price up 1%. So if a United States ETF was launched, they would buy much more than 93 million. They would add much more than $93 million worth of Bitcoin to their holdings. That could launch things like crazy. So USDT or USD coin, when I profit in January, whichever one gets you the best returns for staking. What do you think of LTX? Don't know enough. What's an ETF, an exchange traded fund? It's essentially a way that you can, Gats by Ashford. I don't want a futures ETF. I want a spot ETF. That's a good point. In futures ETF, no. I will not celebrate if a futures ETF is approved. I want a spot ETF. Would you sell your Riot after this bull run or hold long term? I'd sell it. HBAR end of year guess, January $2. Need to invest 7K into Bit IRA. Oh yeah. Would you split the allocation? Yes. Yeah. Thoughts on Mir? Don't know enough. Do you still think Doge will hit $1? Yes. Shib finna crash? I mean, sure. Hit likes. Thank you, Max. Doge will hit $1. The meme is too strong. Okay. We will test 51K and see what happens. Plan B is playing out. If we stay on track, could reach near 100K Bitcoin by winter. I mean, I'm still saying 200K, so I'll be happy if it's just 100K, but we'll see. Doge, yeah, Doge pumped. Is Doge at 25 cents? No, 23. Okay. Bro, should I swap some ETH for Solana? I wouldn't do it right now. No. Did you say you think ETH is hitting VXV? I like VXV. I'm still saying $100 this cycle. All right, do you say you think ETH is hitting 15 or 20K this cycle? I think 15K. Best stablecoin to preserve my capital? USD coin, but I mean, I'm going to be holding stablecoins that get me the best returns. So I don't think there are any stable crypto coins, man. There are literally stable coins. There's coins. I mean, all right. I mean, if you're talking about the dollar not being stable, anyway, peak prediction for Bitcoin, yeah, 200,000. If Clubhouse has a Clubhouse coin, then would you get a Clubhouse? Yes, I would. Yeah, VXV, I've talked a lot about VXV already, so I'm a little worn out by it, but I'll just say still prediction $100. Do you think Ethereum Classic will rise with Bitcoin or with ETH? Yes, I do. Yeah, and it'll probably outperform on the way up, but it's going to crash really hard. Will ETH Classic only go up if ETH goes way up? Yes. I mean, not way up, but yes. Yeah, seen Shiba. Shiba's pumping. Still think Quant does what it wants. Quant does what Quant does. Yes. Your best guess for the start next bear market. I think things are going to peak in December and January. How do you do likes for YouTube? Yeah, I guess somebody help OC Pet Doctor. Yeah, 200K this cycle. Link prediction $100. At some point, XRP will settle. Then once it starts its usage in the next few years, price, I don't know. It's so confusing with XRP because there's people saying $589 and $10,000, and it's like, what are they seeing that I don't see? You know, I'm like self-gaslighting. So, all right, Tesla is badly made. I got the Merc Eq, and its build quality is way better. Okay. Did Elon Musk tweet a picture of his puppy? And that can't be right. I think, is that a joke, Smooth September? September wasn't smooth, by the way. Smooth September. So how dare you? That's a joke. Oh my goodness. Don't put a space between Elon and Musk. That pumped Doge, please, please no. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, Andrew Harris, you're such a smart guy. LOL, stable fiat. I mean, that was 18 hours ago. That can't contribute entirely to the pump. DAI is a stable crypto. That's what I use. Okay. Elon Musk is a tool. H-bar lowest price prediction during bear market. Higher than here. Maybe like 50 cents or so. I thought SEC dropped its suit against Ripple. No, there was some fake news about that. You have thoughts on Atom? I think Atom's due for a breakout right now. Yeah, SHIB's going nuts. I know. I hear. The meme coins are pumping. Yay. Yay. DOT, ADA, or Solana. For short term, I would say DOT. Lucid, don't know. Do you think XRP will beat the SEC? I think XRP wants to beat the SEC, and they might shoot themselves in the foot. I just wish they would settle. I don't think they're willing to settle. Hoj is a meme coin. Meme coins are trash. Thoughts on Clover? Is it going to rebound? Yes, but don't know enough. But yes, a lot of people are going to lose a lot of money on SHIB. I mean, a lot of people are going to lose a lot of money on crypto. You know, I mean, I hate to say it. I mean, Bitcoin going to $200,000. Let's just entertain me for a second. If Bitcoin goes to $200,000, there are going to be noobs buying at the top, and they're going to lose a lot of money. So 200 Litecoin. Wow. Okay. Good for you. You're just trying to pump the market, plays games like that. Yep. Is SHIB going to crash? SHIB's going to crash hard. But Amsterdam, man, what am I going to do? Leave my 5 kids in the United States and my wife? I believe, but SHIB's going to crash hard at the end. You know, why short-term DOT? Because Solana has already pumped a lot. Cardano has already pumped a lot. I think they have most of their pump already done, but DOT has not quite pumped as much, and I'm very bullish on DOT. Floki is not Doge. It's another coin I'm putting. I don't, yeah. When do you think it's going to crash? January or so. How much Litecoin do you have? I really don't. I have no idea. Not enough, honestly. DAI gets you 2% in stable crypto. Will not cost you Coinbase fees if you transfer. Okay. Do you use coin stats or something like that to track your portfolios? No, I don't. If so, would you mind? Oh, no, I'm not going to show you my portfolio. XYO thoughts, 20 cents. Sell at 300 for a $100 profit. Why is AMP so great? I've talked about AMP a lot. AMP is going to make crypto transactions very, very convenient. The more exposure we get to AMP, the better. How low do you think Bitcoin will crash after the cycle so we can buy again? The 200-week moving average. You see it get anywhere near the 200-week moving average, you buy like crazy. Any low cap coin suggestions? Maybe VGX. Buy price for ETH, buy price for Litecoin now. Very bullish month. So last week the news said the SEC dropped the suit. There was an article on Yahoo Finance, but it was proven to be wrong. So yeah. I mean, listen, you want to know my portfolio. I'll tell you my 5 biggest holdings. It's Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, XRP, and Cake. I have 6 figures of Ethereum. I have between 1 and 10 Bitcoin. I have like $60,000 of Cake. And then, you know, $17,000 of XRP. How about that? There we go. So Shiba made you 3K today. All right. AVAX or Aave? I don't know. I really don't know. So, yes, Mick Yahoo Finance posted fake news. Yeah. Where do you see XRP going this year? $8 to $10. Litecoin end of the month, I have no idea. Over 200. How much H bar do you have? Not enough. Like $1,000 maybe. Opinion on new cipher? Don't know enough. Greetings, Zane Khan, ZK Pablo. Vet predictions 50 cents. I have Mara or just Riot. What? Oh, you have I have Riot. I have Riot options. I bought some Riot options today. Bought about $1,000 of Riot blockchain options that expire in December or January, something like that. So what's the 200-week moving average at present? It's like $15,000. But I think if Bitcoin were to peak at $200,000, it would take about a year to get down to it. And I think by that time, it would go to about $50,000 or so. Basically, you'll be a millionaire after this. That's the plan. The hope. We'll see. Robert, I'm very much invested in Litecoin. Shiba thoughts. Shiba's pumping. Good to see. I don't want it to die because, like, here's the thing about Shiba. Shiba's trash, and I've been saying that for a while. But if Shiba shows some signs of life in the latter half of this bull run, then that's really exciting to me, because then in the bear market, I'm going to buy a ton of Shiba. Like if Shiba shows me that it's not dead, then in the bear market, it's going to go down big time. And then I'm going to buy a ton of it. And then I do believe that if Shiba pumps and gets past its all-time high from May, that what will happen is it'll crash like crazy. Bear market, I'll buy a ton. And then it'll at least get somewhere near its all-time high 4 years from now, maybe even much higher than that. So I will love Shiba. I will go from thinking it's trash, and I'll still think it's trash, but it's like you can make money off of trash. You know, there's a lot of hard drives and dumps, you know. So yeah, 6 figures worth of Ethereum, 5 coins to buy and hold today and hold till January. Bitcoin, but you don't want to hear Bitcoin. Ethereum, Litecoin, AMP, Quant. There's so many. Matic, I don't know. How many cryptos for a secure portfolio? 10. What's happening with the market at the moment? I mean, Bitcoin's up. That's all I care about. So why do you have so much cake? What X from now are you thinking? I think a 5X. I have so much cake because, you know, I rode the meme coin wave in May. I took out my profits and put it in cake because that's where everything was. You know, all the meme coins, they were on PancakeSwap.finance. So I just kept taking profits and putting it to cake, staking it, you know, over 100%. So hello, Geoff. Logan Elliott, why do they do stupid stuff like that? Oh yeah, I don't know. Why do you only have 1,000 of H-bar? I don't know, man. Yeah, I should have more. Do you like Luna? I like Luna. $100. Do you still think VET will hit $2? I never said $2. I said $1. And I think it's going to be more like 50 cents. Polymath, no polymath prediction. Sorry. Trash equals treasure sometimes. Hey, Coin Show. What's up, man? I don't know anything about Clover Finance. I'm sorry. But if CVO Crypto was saying good things about it, then I trust his judgment. AMP to $1. Shiba Inu. Oh my goodness. I was just talking about Shiba Inu, the great one. I'm sorry. I just talked for like 3 minutes about Shiba Inu. I'm not going to do it again. 1inch. So Binance partnered with 1inch. You know, that's a new preferred platform of theirs. That's very bullish for 1inch. I mean, look what happened with Cake. Cake went from 50 cents to like $42 in the spring. I could see 1inch. I mean, maybe not that big of a jump, but I could see 1inch doing very well. Yeah, polymath, don't know enough. Will you ever sell your ETH? Yeah, over time. Litecoin under $200 is a good buy. Yes, please get more H-bar. I'll load up on H-bar in the bear market, big time. So Doge $1 by January, I think so. I love how you're not discriminatory on trash. In the end, we're all here to make money, even if it's on trash. Thank you, Coin Show. And for those of you on TikTok, again, I'm live on YouTube. I can't keep up with the TikTok comments, but I can on YouTube. How much have you gotten Litecoin? I don't know. I don't know. Enough. I mean, not enough, but a decent amount. Bear market by the new year? No. After the new year. Do you think quarter 4 will outperform quarter 1 of this year? Yes. Yes, I do. What coin did you say would have the biggest ROI this run? High risk or not? I mean, probably something I've never heard of, but like Hollow, I think will 10 to 20x. Litecoin, I think is going to 10x. Probably some microcap, CVO. No, I'm not going to talk about that. Never mind. I have not researched Radix. Sorry. Missed the Shiba combos. Quick recap. I'm cheering for Shiba to pump, because if Shiba pumps and goes back to its all-time high, then I'm going to load up a ton in the bear market. Yes, I went over Shiba. Oh, gosh. I'm going to load up a ton in the bear market. So maybe I'll make a TikTok about that. What will be your biggest gainer in this bull run, in your opinion? Percentage-wise, it's already Doge. I bought Doge at 0.0003. No, 0.003. 0.3 of a cent. So predictions for 1 inch, I don't know. Sorry. Polymath again, I don't know enough about Polymath. VChain to 50 cents. XLM to $2 to $3. Sovereign, don't know enough. AVAX. AVAX did not pump after getting listed on Coinbase. Argo blockchain, I don't know. So AVAX is a good buy right now. Yeah, $2 to $3 for XLM. So Bitcoin hitting 50K during the bear market. Just look up Bitcoin's 200-week moving average and pay attention to it over the next year after it peaks. Can you explain why you're keeping Bitcoin and ETH for 10 years? I made 2 videos about those back to back on TikTok. So you're going to have to go to TikTok and see those videos. The supply crunch that's coming with both of those is wild. So amp to $1. I'm gonna hop off the TikTok live. No, I'm not. Never mind. I'm not gonna hop off the TikTok. I'm gonna just keep going. Gonna keep going. When's the best time to buy during the bear market? I'm gonna make a course on that, and it'll be lit. There's different timing for different coins, and so Bitcoin, it's gonna be about a year after the peak, not right after the crash. No, because what happens is there's a crash, but then there's a bleed. So it'll continue to bleed for a while. Are you waiting for Radix to explode first or what? I'm all in. So your exit plan of alts, do you plan off your returns or just look for a good time on the charts? Good time in the charts. Theta thoughts and prediction. I love Theta. $50 is my prediction. AMP to $1 at 20x. Yep. I'd still rather own Litecoin, because Litecoin is going to melt faces, and it could do much better than a 10x. So ADA prediction, $8. Why bullish on Litecoin? I made a video. It's pinned on my TikTok. Check it out. Theta or VET to most likely 10x. Which one of those? I mean, I could see a 10x for both of those. Should I be scared of missing the only all-time high in October? As in there's a chance for bear market to start that early? No. Code Red Gaming, I highly doubt it. So Polymath is flagging. I think that's why they're asking. Okay, Sambo. Thoughts on GRT? I haven't really put much energy into GRT. My friend CVO Crypto says that he's very bullish on it. So DAG, again, that's top of my list of things to research. I haven't. So Crypto Burb sees 3K Litecoin and $3 EXRD by end of year. Yeah. So when I say $1,500, I think that there are people who are much more bullish on Litecoin than I am. What other coin will have a supply crunch? Bitcoin and Ethereum. Chainlink will one day have a supply crunch. Quant, I mean, it seems obvious to me that Quant will have a supply crunch. VXV. So Yeah, during bear market, buy as many different coins as possible. Focus on 5 to 10. I'd say 5 to 10. Multivac don't know enough, sorry. We start posting on your Patreon soon. Ross, I mean, no guarantees, honestly. So I was clear about that. 10x for Theta, I think so. Do you expect a retrace from 50,500? Not necessarily, no. Robert Kiyosaki says Bitcoin will crash this month. Thoughts, or is he a Pablo? I answered your question. You asked me that question on a video, and I responded to it. So please check that out. When do you think AMP will hit $1? Maybe January or so, something. You think we may not have a blow-off top this year? There will be plenty of blow-off tops. So the only thing that would make me question whether Bitcoin will have a blow-off top is look at May. It did not have a blow-off top. It had a 13-week rounded top. Yeah, thank you, Javidian. Are you selling all of your BNB? I'll probably sell half. What do you think of Crypto Weatherman's Crypto Day Trading Challenge or Tournament? That'd be great. Yeah, I'd love to see that. So, by the way, thanks a lot. Thank you, Connor. You're welcome, Code Red Gaming. When do you expect Litecoin to 10x at the end? January or something? Begin crypto. Yes, sir, man. People sleeping on Theta for real. Excuse me, sorry. Thoughts on ICX? Don't know enough. Should I sell Luna now or hold? I would hold, not financial advice. What would you invest in right now? Litecoin and Ethereum. Can you take a quick look at Dentcoin? No. Lexus R Toyotas, yeah. Should I sell my, yeah, all right. What coins will you buy during the bear market? So a lot of Solana, a lot of Quant, a lot of Doge. So will you ever like Pablo again? Yeah. I mean, you know, thank you. My newfound hatred of BitBoy crypto is making me, you know, I'm looking at Pablo and like, man, you know what? You're not that bad, Pablo. So let me tell you, this guy helped me buy ETH at 1,800 in July. There we go, Oscar. Do you plan to compound your gains this leg for the bull run? Compound my gains this leg for the bull run. I'm not sure what you're asking. Do you think Maker and Comp will have a supply crunch? I could see that, Sambo, yeah. I don't know about Comp, but Maker, there's only a million Maker. You're welcome, Trend Chain. What's a blow off top? It's just like a massive spike and then a crash from there. So, yo, bro, I know we could be expecting some pullbacks on the way up, but what's the lowest you think Bitcoin can go at this point? Not much lower. You know, it went to 47,000 something, 47.3, maybe even 46 something today. It's like we had our dip today, and now we're at $4,900. Thank you, Science and Max and BB, for blessing me or cryptoing me. So, I mean, I don't think much lower. I mean, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong about, yeah, I'm live on YouTube, 203 Rob, and thank you for those gifts. I could be wrong about AMP, you know? I mean, anytime I say something is going to 20x or 10x, it's like, you think it's going to 20x. I think there's going to be a lot of 10x's and 20x's. I really do. What did BitBoy Crypto do? He's got this beef with the blockchain boy, and he's being an immature prick. He's being a baby. And then he goes and flaunts off his meme car. It's like, just chill out, BitBoy Crypto. Luna, $100. When is Litecoin going to hit its all-time high again? January or so. SHIB all-time high was that. If it goes to its all-time high, will it make it viable? I mean, it'll make it a bear market buy for me. That's what I'll say. Thank you, Stock Dip 1. What app would you recommend for somebody new? Voyager. Use my referral code ALE749. You'll get $25 of free Bitcoin and you skip the waiting list. Bitman Child, there we go, 24/7 Anon. Is Pablo speaking BS or truth considering crypto predictions? He's not speaking BS. Pablo's problem is that he's not a Bitcoin guy. I see him say stuff all the time that's just like outside of the scope of Bitcoin. He just doesn't understand it. He understands a lot about everything else. He just doesn't understand Bitcoin. Yes, John Hassim, do your own research. All this deployment money is going into crypto. Okay. So pull profits, pull it in another coin to 2x, take that another coin for another 2x, so forth. Oh, keep doubling. There is some kind of a strategy with that, Jigga. It's going to be a lot easier to see at the end of the bull run, towards the end. So Bitcoin. So here's something interesting that happened, and I want you all to listen to this. Bitcoin peaked on December 17th of 2017, and then Ethereum peaked, I think it was exactly 27 days later. And then in April and May, ALE 749, Beth. A is in Apple, L is in Larry, E is in Elephant, 749. And then Bitcoin peaked on April 14th, I think, something like that. And then Ethereum peaked in May, 27 days later. And so it could be something exactly like that. I could see Bitcoin peaking first. And then, you know, if I were to try to time the peak with Bitcoin, and I'm not selling any of my Bitcoin, but if I were to try to do this, I would sell Bitcoin, not all of it. I'd sell some of it and then put it into Ethereum and then ride that wave up. So smash likes. There we go. Solana, Quant, and Doge. I thought you were selling all your alts and buying ETH, Bitcoin, and stable coins. Shan, that's for the bottom of the bear market, Shan. Like the bottom of the bear market, I will be buying a lot of altcoins, you know. BitBoy, crypto's lives are boring. He's having 2.5 million followers and gets less views than their tick. Well, Ross, that's not fair to BitBoy, because it's like his live streams on YouTube are getting thousands of viewers. And, you know, he only goes live on TikTok to point people to his YouTube channel. Instantly jumped on YouTube when you said you were live here. 203 Rob, there we go. Are we still beating 53K mid-October? Yeah, I think so. Doesn't Quant only have 14 million total? Why sell? I want to see what happens with Quant in the bear market. That's all. Just grabbed another 10 Quant. Okay. Litecoin predictions, $1,500. Quant will do what it wants, but when this jumps, it's close to 1K. I'll be taking huge if it ever to get there when we blow. Yep. Why Bitcoin up, alts down? Because it's Bitcoin's time. So what other apps do you use other than Voyager? Some cryptos out there. I have 9 different platforms. Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Crypto.com, Uphold, Celsius, BlockFi, other ones. Laz, yeah. Hey, go one more question. What do you think about Zill? I don't know a ton about Zill, so October 18th does not make me nervous, no. I've gotten into that before. I mean, I remember in 2010 threats of the debt ceiling. They're going to raise the debt ceiling. When should I get ETH? Regularly, often. So, do you buy crypto-related stocks? I bought $1,000 worth of Riot blockchain options today. So, if Bitcoin were to go up to 6 figures, I'm going to make a lot of money off of that. But we'll see. That's a risk. It's a risky move, but I'm willing to risk $1,000. I mean, I've got more than 6 figures in crypto, so I own 2 NFTs. They've both dropped in value. I'm not an NFT guy. Could Boss Token be the next microcap gem? I've never heard of Boss Token. So what time frame do you think Litecoin will hit $1,500? January. 5K Litecoin possible this cycle. CVO thinks so. It is within the realm of possibility, yes. But he's much more bullish than I am. So you mean ride the triple halving after EIP hits, referring to ETH, right? If you were to sell Bitcoin. Sambo, I mean, to an extent, yeah. But I'm talking about like, so I think Ethereum, if Ethereum were to peak at $15,000, I could see it go down to 5,000 or so, and then like pump like crazy after that, and throughout, you know, what's supposed to be the bear market. John Randall Coleman, I have no problem keeping coins on exchanges. So yeah, Boss Token, I don't know about Boss Token. I buy Quant under $300. I'll never pay above it. Dip today, snag 10 more. Excellent. Dennis, are you shilling a coin? You keep asking about Boss Token. All right. I got some spammers here. I own 1/10 of ETH, but bi-monthly, that works, right? Yes. How many vet is enough? I don't know. I mean, it's like percentage wise, it's probably like 3% of my portfolio, something like that. What do you do as a career? I run a grocery distribution business and I'm semi-retired. If you were me, just starting out, what would be the best to buy into and how much? Bitcoin and Ethereum. You're just starting out Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then learn as much as you can about the crypto market. How much? It's more of a percentage. It's like, what would I say? You know, if I said $1,000, well, do you have $1,000 to invest? You know, percentage of your fiat. At this point in the game, I would say like no more than 50%, maybe more like 25% or something like that. You're transferring crypto in a stable coin when you pull at the peak. Yes, more than half. What's up, James? Oh my goodness. Good platforms to earn interest on your coins. Celsius, PancakeSwap.finance, Nexo, things like that. Yes, I own 6 figures worth of ETH. Can you explain why to buy coins like Quant if we could buy a potential 10x coin? Good luck. That's why. I know you think that you'll be able to time it, and that you'll be level-headed, and that you won't convince yourself that your crypto, that you're like, I don't know what to say. You're not going to get it. If it 10x's, you're not getting a 10x. Have you thought about that? Have you guys thought about that? If a coin that you buy today 10x's, you're not getting a 10x. You're not going to sell at the peak. And it's going to go very quickly. Boss token is garbage. Hey, I want to tell you all something. On my YouTube, there's a bunch of bots spamming Boss token. Have nothing to do with Boss token. Okay, do not buy Boss token. Boss token is trash. It's the kind of trash that trash would throw away. Yeah, Facebook and Instagram, great. I'm happy that Facebook and Instagram are down. Would you get into meme coins? Yeah, sometimes. So, yeah, just keep adding. Do you recommend USD coin Tether as a stable coin with all the weirdness around it, or would you use a different one? In general, I would use a different one. So, if 10x, then what's the point? Yep. Do you see DOT having as big of a percentage gain as Litecoin? No, no. Yeah, trash that throws trash away. Yeah, you want me to tell you about Boss token? Yeah, Boss token is the scum, the refuse of the earth. No, Boss token is garbage. Do not buy Boss token. I have 11,500 Doge coin. Hold, yes, hold your Doge. Not financial advice. Have you heard of these robo crypto trading sites? I mean, I use a bot. It hasn't gone well. So, Liquidus, I don't know. Did you see Pablo in Squid? Was Pablo actually in Squid Game? I did not see him there, but I'm assuming that you're joking. Thank you, living legend forever. Hold my ETH or convert to Bitcoin. I would hold. Not financial advice. Can you repeat info on Zill? I just don't know a ton about Zill. So, Taiwan uses WhatsApp for communication. China's about ready to invade Taiwan. Uh-oh. All right. What stable coin will you be transferring to? There's no one stable coin. USD coin is probably the safest. BUSD is fine. Whatever I can get the best staking rewards on. Should I sell anything now? I mean, how are you in profit? If so, then yeah, I'd take some profits. But in general, I mean, I think this is going to be a great month for crypto. Yeah, he was in Shang-Chi. Pablo was in Shang-Chi. And I think November is going to be a great month, and December is going to be a great month. So, do you like POW? I don't know anything about it, POW. Just happy to get the 9.5x I get from listening to you. Okay. Have you seen the Ecomi action, Alex? No, I haven't. Is Ecomi doing well? Let's check out Ecomi. I have not checked the price of Ecomi in a long time. I don't own any, so that's a potential 10x. What would you choose to hodl with, Gemini or Voyager? Probably Gemini. That's a safer one. That's a very, very secure one. Not that Voyager's not secure, but Gemini is very secure. What price do you think will Doge? Do you think it will disappear? I don't think Doge will disappear. So, all right. So OMI is on its way back up. Look at that massive cup. It's probably going to get back to 1.2 cents and then have a handle and then shoot higher. So T-Fuel or Theta, maybe T-Fuel. I don't know. 1,000 vet turn into Litecoin. Not necessarily. Thoughts on Solana? I mean, you know, at the very bottom, when Solana got under $25, I was like, this is going to $200. And then it did, and I'm like, whoa, that was way too early. So it's like, I don't know. I don't think Solana has a ton. I think other cryptos will outperform Solana the rest of the way. What would you, yeah, okay, I feel a new quote for your t-shirt about Boss Token. There we go. VeChain, 50 cents. Why buy Litecoin at 10x if AMP is going 20x? Litecoin, so AMP at 20x is like a flash in a pan, and it's a risk. It's like, I think Litecoin 10xing is much more likely than AMP 20xing. And then when I think about the realm of possibility, like I could see Litecoin 50xing. Like not, let me correct myself. If Litecoin X did a 50x from here, I would not be surprised. Or 30x. How about a 30x, okay? I would not be surprised. Litecoin at 10x, in my opinion, is conservative. AMP is not conservative, saying it could 20x. Now, James, Boss Coin is like if five different people on my YouTube live stream are going to say check out Boss Coin, you think I'm gonna actually check out Boss Coin? No, you have prevented me from ever wanting to buy Boss Coin ever. Okay, Hussy, I know every time I talk about Litecoin, I get that same response. You don't know what you're talking about. I don't like Litecoin. But I'm looking at the charts. It's in the charts. So should I sell all my Bitcoin at the top or take profits as the run goes up? If you're going to sell Bitcoin, take profits on the way up. I'm like, do the math. ETH will triple or more. Bitcoin may double. No cap. Just saying. I mean, I think Bitcoin's going to 4x and ETH is going to like 4.5 or 5x. So do you think December is too long to wait to sell your coins? Do you sell all or only 50 to 75%? I'm not selling all my crypto. So, Dano, did I ever look into penalties of removing my hex early? Yes. I'd lose about a third of my hex, and I wouldn't like they would keep all the staking rewards, so it'd be more like 40% of my hex. So. Gemini coin good for staking then? I don't know anything about Gemini coin. I mean, I love platform coins though, so yes. I hail AVAX should keep what fan? What app do you stake with? Mostly PancakeSwap. How confident are you in HBAR? I'm very confident, yeah. ETH to 6x maybe, yeah. Oh man, Pumpy Dumpy. If there's a higher chance of profit from Litecoin, why invest into ETH this bull? Because I'm not all in on anything. It's like, maybe I'm crazy. Maybe I'm crazy for Litecoin. Maybe it'll just go up with the rest of the market. So I like having several different cryptos. So don't you get sick of answering the same questions? Yes. Excuse me. What about Shiba? No, I've talked too much about Shiba. Yeah, I made 3,000x profit on. Okay. Thoughts on Quant? If you've already made 3,000x profit on Boss Coin, that's another reason to stay away from it. Thoughts on Quant? I don't do price predictions on Quant. Higher. Quant does what Quant does. Quant's a beast. It's the honey badger, etc., etc. Sorry, Quant is very, very, very unpredictable. So. How do you deal with these mundane questions every day? I get something out of it. People follow me on TikTok. They subscribe to my YouTube channel. Which guys subscribe to my YouTube channel? Follow me on TikTok. There's a reason why some people call me boss. Not boss token, but boss man and king. There's a reason for that. So Shiba 1 cent ever? No. How did you become a multimillionaire? I'm not a multimillionaire. OKT, don't know enough, sorry. All right, Geo, there we go. Is it worth holding on to XRP until after the case? It just depends. It depends. If XRP were to pump despite the case, I mean, I'd probably take some profits. Yeah, I still think ADA will hit $8 or higher. Yeah. Yeah, Adam, I totally agree. I don't know if I hope I didn't say anything wrong about that. Don't call me delusional. I don't care about, like, if you want to disagree with me well. I just blocked somebody. Somebody called me delusional, and it's like I can't stand that. Just be courteous, okay? I'm not like never selling my XRP. Okay. Yeah, I mean, if you believe in it, then great, you know? FYI, if you're looking for staking, somewhat established coin, Hydra. All right. On KuCoin. Did you see Quant at next bull run at 5 to 10K? 5K? I can see 5K. So goat of the goat. Thank you, Sambo. Where can I buy XRP? If you're in the United States, you can buy it on Uphold. Thank you, user 584. Don't sweat it, man. You staking anything? I'm staking in a lot of my crypto. Mostly, you know, my cake. So thank you, Soltero Alex. Great name. Any predictions on ETH Classic? I mean, above 175. That's where it got to in May. So, are you one bear market away from moving to a different country and living like a king? No, I'm pretty stuck where I am, and I have no complaints about that. But if I were to move anywhere, it would be to the Azores Islands in Portugal. My mom was born there, so why can't you buy XRP with a credit card up? I have no idea. Thank you, Henry. Thank you, it's Troy. And I wouldn't be surprised if others of you said also encouraging things. Posco, thank you so much. Ever take your blood pressure after this? No. Let's see. Why wouldn't you sell everything and buy back in the bear market? Logan, I've addressed that a lot, especially for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Supply crunches, man. Supply crunches. I made look for my TikToks on that. I made it a couple weeks ago. You gonna try for a Mechaverse mint raffle? No. Joe, thank you. Really appreciate that. Oh wow, your brother moved to Nicaragua. Fan, I'm not a trader. I'm just an investor. Thank you. It's Troy. What do you think about VeChain? I'm a little less bullish on VeChain because of the stuff going on in China. But I'm still very bullish on VeChain. Anything to worry about with Biden and the IRS looking into every $600 transaction? Good luck with that, man. Good luck with that. It's one of those things. It's like, how are you going to do that? Future prediction on H-bar, $2 this cycle. I think you're too bear market to moving in an island living like a king. We'll see, K. Smoke Sun, we'll be delusional together. Thank you, great one. VXV, a long-term hold like Quant, will it hit 1K? Washington, I'm a little bit nervous about VXV as a long-term hold. What kind of utility? What is VXV actually? Does vector space actually need VXV to exist? I'm still trying to figure that out. Will Solana be a good long-term hold? If you were to hold Solana long-term, you would do very well. I think Solana will be where Ethereum is now 4 years from now. So, doesn't the CCP support VeChain though? Yeah, but they're working on some CBDCs, you know? So maybe they'll just ditch VeChain entirely. Thank you, Dot. Oh, wait, no, you're talking about your brother. Okay. I was like, I help people in a village? You will be a multimillionaire after 2025. Yeah, I think like $20 million or so. Vision Seeks. George on YouTube says Plan B is a time traveler. Maybe, man. No, hey, Love Power. I can't stop all of them. There's 100. I have blocked. I block about 10 fake accounts pretending to be me a day. I cannot stop them. Top 5 hold: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cake, XRP, and Binance. Not in that order. Thank you, Bob. I'm laid back because I'm tired. You know, my 5 kids, they kind of wear me out. Really think Quant will hit 1K? Yeah, I could see that. No Duncan. I mean, I had Duncan earlier, Sambo, but Grant, do I have a schedule for my live streams? I don't. My schedule is too sporadic. It's too random. But, you know, I mean, hit that notification button on YouTube. You get notified whenever I go live. I usually go live at noon Eastern time, around a little afternoon. I eat lunch, go live a little bit afternoon. Mondays are more difficult though. Will 100 Solana be life-changing? All right, 100 times 3,000 is 300,000. I think Solana will be around 3,000 next cycle. It depends, you know, is that enough? Is that life-changing for you? For me, that's not. Especially with the way the, you know, dollar is printing and stuff like that. Which coin will hit more than 5x this cycle? Many coins. Did you hear about Plan B saying we're only halfway through the cycle? We have at least 6 months left. I did. I disagree. I hope he's right. I just want, you know, I hope he's right. Yeah, family first, crypto second. Yep. Don't leave us hanging. Okay. One coin, not financial advice, VET, HBAR, or AMP. I would say VET. But no, thank you. I've been watching, following you, and it's mind-boggling. Thank you, Mick. Why Cake? Because I took profits from meme coins in May and put them into Cake. Can you go in some depth why you think AMP will hit $1? No, not really. I just, I don't know. I mean, I get a lot of pressure on that one. So it's one of those things. I think AMP will hit $1. I don't think that's crazy. Thank you, Boomerang. Much love to you. I'm concerned about Cake because they have a huge APY, so they add coins as they like. Geo, yeah, they burn a lot though. And the APY, I'm encouraged that the APY is going down. So price prediction for Chainlink, $100. I know it's been stagnant, but $100 still. Your opinion, buy some AMP now. PD Properties. Hey, I've seen you on Instagram. Yes, buy some AMP now. Slice of Butter, yeah, I will be. I usually go live earlier in the day. Apart from you, who else do you recommend to watch for crypto? The Blockchain Backer, Benjamin Cohen, CVO Crypto. There's other ones I could name for sure. VeChain to 50 cents. Algo, $7. Looks like Luna's going to hit all-time high. Yeah. Oh, man, you bought it $6. I forgot about that. Yeah, Luna was at $6. And I recommended somebody. I remember we had one particular live stream. I recommended, hey, that's a good price. So now it's at $46. What about BitBoy? BitBoy is a prick. Like, I don't swear. I will take anyone over Bitcoin. Give me Pablo over Bitcoin. Pablo over Bitcoin. BitBoy. Pablo over BitBoy. Still not a fan of Tel. I don't own any Tel, but I mean, Telcoin looks legit. So I'll follow your opinion. Gemini or Celsius for hodling. Does Gemini give returns? Because I don't actually have Gemini as a platform. Celsius gives great returns, you know? Thoughts on inverse bull? He's wrong. Inverse bull is wrong. We don't need to go down to $18,000 or whatever he's saying it's going to go down to. It's nonsense. 5 coins that have a potential 10x. Man, that question is just brutal. All right, AMP, Litecoin, Theta, VeChain, and I don't know. I'm not going to say anymore. XLM, how about that? I'd say about 300 Solana would get you to life-changing status. Yeah, that'd be $1 million. Yep. Solana price prediction at lowest during the bear market. I really don't know. Maybe $100 or so. Maybe, but maybe where it is now. I could see it in the hundreds. Yeah, I like Crypto Mason. Smooth Love Potion. What's Smooth Love Potion? Thank you, Pumpy Dumpy. When will all alts and meme coins pop? I mean, who knows about meme coins? I mean, they're popping today, or at least Doge and Shiba Inu are. I don't know who Coach JV is, but you know, if I could be trapped on a desert island with Blockchain Boy, BitBoy, or Pablo, I actually like the Blockchain Boy. So, when will alts and meme coins pop? I don't think I answered that. They will pop. So I think if Bitcoin gets to its all-time high again and breaks through that, has a clean break through that, altcoins are going to go wild. And then at the end, altcoins are going to go wild. So why you have Elon Musk Twitter pulled up? Because of this, Leonard. He posted his dog. Follow me on Twitter, by the way, WWBitcoin. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. I don't know if I'm at 6,000 subscribers yet, but I'd really appreciate it. So do you think you will take profit on ETH when it hits your target at 15K? I'll take a little bit of profit. It's not a ton, though. A little bit. Will you still hold quant through the bear market? I want to see what happens with quant. I'm not holding any of it. BitBoy and Blockchain Boy feud is crazy. Yes, it is. Inverse Bull just tweeted Bitcoin nuke in 24 to 48 hours. Great. You know what? That's great. I'm glad that he actually has put a time frame on this because he's wrong. And so, great. Thank you, Ugur Selep. Sorry if I pronounced your name wrong. Link to 120. I've been saying 100. 120 is possible, yeah. ETH at $15,000. I tripped and fell on the like. Thanks, Boomerang. What coins won't you hold during the bear market? Most. The only ones I'm holding any of will be Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Chainlink, and HBAR. How are you not at 6K? Would have figured higher. I'm pretty new. You know, I started this YouTube channel last November, and I started on TikTok in December, but TikTok has, you know, it's much more easy to gain an organic following on TikTok. So what do you think of Theta's future? Theta has a future. Very bullish on Theta in the future. You thought about SNX. I don't know enough about SNX. I don't know anything. I don't really know much about any of those prisoner of your own rules. It's Troy. I'm not into the NFT hype. I wish I was. So Bitcoin 2022, 25K, 2023, 100K, not 25K. Nope. Yeah, crypto bull or crypto. Can't wait for inverse bull to go AWOL in 48 hours. Man, it's gonna be funny. Like inverse bull. It's just when he's wrong, when he's proven wrong, it's like, what's he gonna do? I would just disappear and die. You know, like just be dead inside. XLM prediction $2 to $3. I know BitBoy was an AZZ for degrading Blockchain Boy, but Blockchain acts arrogant and condescending. Just my opinion. You know, Blockchain Boy reminds me of Simon from American Idol. You know, it's like if he likes something, whenever Simon said something positive to somebody, it's like that that person was probably walking on the clouds. But when he said something negative, it's like, oh, Simon's the worst. I don't know about VRA hitting $1. I don't know where the price is right now. Is Facebook deleted together forever? Is Facebook deleted forever? That would be awesome if Facebook was deleted forever. But I don't think so. Is it still down? It's still down? Facebook's still down. Crazy. I bet Zuckerberg's freaking out. When do you see Litecoin at its peak? January. Is money that should be going to pumping coins being diverted to NFTs, thus limiting all-time highs? I'm not worried about that, Jill. I honestly don't think wicked awesome reason I'm separated. I don't know. What was I just saying? I honestly don't think that there's a ton of people that are into NFTs. Maybe I'm crazy. You know, where do you disagree with Plan B? Not many places. I mean, he thinks the bull run's going for 6 more months. I don't think so. But maybe I'm crazy. I remember the meme coin hype being much crazier than the NFT hype. The meme coin hype in May. So we'll see. Compare trading volume of NFT to crypto market. I don't know. What's the trading volume of NFTs? I honestly don't know. So Zuckerberg is deleting all incriminating proof. That's funny. Shiba soars, but SafeMoon, which has a use case, does not move. Yeah. Is SafeMoon dead? Heard Tesla was going to accept Shiba as a payment. No. Bitcoin has now surpassed Facebook in market cap. Okay. Shut up about Boss Token. Shut up about Boss Token. Please shut up. Elrond has great tokenomics. I don't know anything about their fundamentals, though. I'm very bullish on Elrond because of their tokenomics. Will Bitcoin bounce back? Where have you been, man? Yeah, Bitcoin is bouncing back. What's the main attraction for Litecoin? The charts. It's the charts, man. Watch my video on TikTok. I pinned it. What is Boss Token? It's garbage. It's like the garbage that is produced by garbage. Boss Token is trash. That's what it is. What do you think? Hey, Grant Mitt, what's up, man? I am going to sell 50 to 60% of my portfolio after this bull run in January. That's yes. Yes. There is no reason to hold more than 50% of your crypto portfolio. Tezos and Theta, man, I don't know enough about Tezos. Theta, I love Theta. So is Boss Token another SafeMoon type thing? I don't know, but it's one of those things. It's like these people on my live stream on YouTube are shilling it like crazy. So I think it is a SafeMoon type thing. SafeMoon is the biggest scam ever. Abort mission. I agree with that one. That's for sure. Just watch your videos on the supply crunch. Thank you. Thank you, Logan. Just told my sister the same thing. I fully agree with you that. MX. You know, I'm like a beer. I know. I like this. MX is saying I like this aggressive, slightly angry side of you. I'm like, nobody drinks a beer for the first time. It's like, that was smooth. That's me. I heard Putin threatened Zuckerberg and Zuck blowed him off. Now Putin is taking his revenge, man. I'm sure there's crazy stuff going on with Facebook. We'll see. VThor. I like VChain. I like the VThor. You think Ethereum will get to Bitcoin status? I think that Ethereum will flip Bitcoin one day. K, yeah, I'm not selling. Listen, I mean, I'm selling all of my cake. All right, so K says you said sell 50 to 60%, but then you say you're not selling any ETH or Bitcoin due to the supply crunch. Yeah, I'll sell all of my cake. I'll sell all my. We'll see about XRP. I'll sell I'll sell a little bit of my ETH, a little bit. I'll sell everything else. I mean, I won't sell my chain link. I'll sell a little bit of my chain link. Won't sell any of my HBAR, but oh, there's the 3 dots. Okay. There we go. But yeah, I'll sell 50 to 60% of my portfolio. German man here. Bitcoin is outperforming ETH right now. Yes, it is. And we'll see. Cardano's okay. I think it's overrated. What's for dinner? I have no idea. I go downstairs and I'm surprised. So, all right. Hey, everyone. I've been on for 2 hours. Thank you, Jill. I'm going to lay down in bed and just close my eyes for a little bit. And then, Youngling. Yeah. And then I'm going to be done for today. If you're on TikTok, you've got to follow me on TikTok. There's no other way to put it. You've got to follow me on TikTok. And if you're also on TikTok and you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel, World War Bitcoin, and follow me on Twitter, WW Bitcoin. Follow me on Instagram, World War Bitcoin, but Instagram's down, right? So one day in the future, follow me on Instagram. I'll be back tomorrow afternoon, early afternoon, Eastern time, United States Eastern time. So, got to take a boss token. I'm going to go take a boss token. So I'll take a boss token, flush the toilet, and then go lay down in bed. So if you nap, we might nuke. Yeah, that's funny. All right. Thank you all. Much love to you all. Sorry, Dean and Bance.